Hello friends, welcome to Mechanical Design Skill, and today I will share you something online courses, CAD courses, how you can do that and how to learn online CATIA courses, UGNX, AutoCAD, JD&T. So I will share you one website. The website name is udemy.com. Maybe some people are know that udemy.com. So in this period, so we already at our home. So this is the best time you have to learn such thing, value addition yourself and a value addition to your resume also. If you already know some software like Catia, so you learn UGNX or you learn Creo or you have to learn some sheet metal design, casting design, product design. So all these courses you will get there. So we can directly go search in Google udemy.com. So such interface you have to check. I will share the link also udemy.com. So check this uh, interface and you have to just log in. You have to create your account here. Gmail ID and password you have to set, and this account will be open. So I already have account, so I already go through there. So this is my account and this is the interface, and this is the category and search console and a lot other things also. So you check here, there is a lot of courses like Microsoft Excel. If you want someone learn drawing courses, someone cooking, foreign language also. But my interest is CAD courses, JD&T, product design courses. So how to find out and how to choose best one course? So you will get more benefit, and the price also here you will get a very reasonable price at attractive prices. And please watch this video till the end. I will tell you some free course also. So we directly go through category. In design you will go to 3D animation. In 3D animation you will take you will see that SolidWorks. So if you want to learn SolidWorks, so you can take, and mostly you have to check the bestseller, highly rated courses you have to take. The rating should be more than 4 or 4.2. So I will search here Katia. So I will tell you how to choose best one. So I just search Katia V5 and we can check one by one parameters. First of all, we can check the rating. Price should be less than 1000 rupees. It will be vary if you log in first time, so it will be less than 500 also. So you can check that there is a 4.5 ratings and bestseller. So I already checked this Katia course, so it was a very good course, contain all that thing. So you have to compare 2 3. So I will go in that. So one course detail how to check I will tell you. So there is a 4.6 rating and a 1455 student already enrolled for this, and last update is 11/12 2018. Maybe you will check 2020 or 2019 also, and it is in English language. In this platform you will get course in Hindi language also. If you filter, or you can simply type in search Katia V5 in Hindi, so you will get also Hindi also. So we have to check the course content. So he already what you will learn. So 2D, 3D modeling, and he added the sheet metal design also. So it was also good. Drafting, wireframe, surface. So mostly all the topics he covered. So topic wise it was good. And you have to check some details course content also. He is given lecture wise, sketching, part modeling, Boolean operations. So you can go through that. Check the student feedback also, and please check the review also. So you will get the overall idea. This course good content and at a good price. So you have to take some preview also. So you have to check yourself. Maybe you unable to hear. I just play sample demo video. It is basic introduction. You can check.
Hello, this is Akash Raj. and welcome to the most advanced tutorial in CAD Fiverr 20 from beginner to advanced. And in this particular tutorial, I will be discussing about some of the basic things about Catia. So before CAD design software, Catia is developed by a French company Dassault System. And so the basic portion covers the creation of 3D parts from 3D sketches, sheet metal, composites, molded, forged or tool parts, up the definition of.
So you can see that the tutor voice and all the thoughts are clear. So I think you can check 2 3 same like that, and same you have to search parametric. So same you have to search the content, ratings, reviews, and you have to choose your course, and please do that. So here comes some Creo parametric and other courses also. You can see that. So please visit this site and you will get the language options also in language, English, here Hindi language also. So 4 content are in Hindi language also. And one more thing I will tell you how you will get the free. So you have to select the free and you will get some free courses here also. Yeah, this one Creo parametric tutorial in Hindi, it is free and it is new also. It is 30 minutes. Actually in free content you will get the less content, but if you do not want to put your money first, you have to learn something, so you will get these courses also. So friend, this is from my side. How you liked it, this video, please tell me in comment box. If you want such videos like on the online courses and all, so please comment, like and share, and please do some courses. It's really value addition to you, and do some JD&T courses also here, very good. Please check that. So thank you.